Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Amazon account permissions for Alexa Smart Home, full guide step by step clearly. To verify Amazon account permissions for your Alexa Smart Home, start by opening the Amazon Alexa app on your mobile device. Log into your Amazon account if you haven't already. Once logged in, tap on the device's icon at the bottom of the screen. Select the Smart Home option to view your connected devices. Tap on the plus icon to add new smart home devices or check existing ones. Now, go to your smart home skills within the menu. Review the list of skills activated under your account. Select any skill to check the account permissions granted to it. Make sure that all required permissions are enabled for full functionality. If permissions are missing, tap on the skill and follow the prompts to grant them. Once adjusted, return to the main screen of the Alexa app. Next, test your connected smart home devices to ensure they respond correctly. If issues persist, consider removing and re-adding the specific skill. To do this, navigate back to your smart home skills and select the appropriate skill. Tap Disable Skill and confirm your choice. After disabling, tap again on the plus icon and search for the same skill. Re-enable it by following the setup prompts carefully. This process ensures that all necessary permissions are correctly set. Now, retest your devices to confirm everything is functioning optimally. If you encounter further problems, check your internet connection. Lastly, refer to the support section of the skill for additional troubleshooting assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.